Hello and welcome to this week's video. Pop-up butterflies. That is what I am going to make today. It is a nice way to add interest to your journal page. You can do this with any kind of paper. I love watercolors, so I wanted to include one layer of watercolors to these butterflies. So, if you want to do this with watercolors also, just pick your favorite colors and splash them around in a paper and then start to draw some butterflies. You can draw these butterflies with freehand, or if you don't want to do that, you can also print a silhouette from the internet, and that will help you. But as you see, my butterflies are a bit wonky, and that's okay. And now let's see how the colors turned out. Quite nice, I would say. You need 3 layers of paper per butterfly, and now it's time to choose your papers. Then make a drawing of the butterfly and then cut it out. This is a marvelous chance to use those scrap papers that you might have stored somewhere. Then the 3rd layer, and then it's time to test that all the layers are looking nice. Do the same thing with all the butterflies. You can also cut a butterfly in the middle and use only half of it. Use different kind of paper for the bottom half. It gives a nice character for the butterfly. And then take the whole thing and draw the bottom layers. Fold the paper in the middle, and this way you can get 2 butterfly layers with one cutting. And now it's time to do some decorating. Of course, this is optional, and if you have very textured papers, you don't need to do this. Here I use white marker pens, black marker pen, and a golden marker pen. Then it's stitching time. You can do this by hand, or you can use a sewing machine. Make a sewing in the middle of the butterfly. And next cut off any excess yarns. and then make a folding in the middle and then spread those wings. Let's put these cuties to the test and glue them into a journal spread. Here I wanted to put some vintage vibe with stamping, and I am using Memento Rich Cocoa. Glue the bottom layer of the butterfly and then put it into the page. Here I am using a few of these to the spread, and I will save the rest of the butterflies for later use. This spread has a lot of space for journaling and drawing for later, and I wanted to add a little page tag also. Let's unite these butterfly friends, just for fun. There, a happy flock. Okay, that was a bit summery fun. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a lovely week.